Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace is Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about the chemical acetone and when you would use it and how you would use it. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is with all the chemical videos that I've shot, and there's a bunch of them, you're going to go on the back of the bottle and you're going to take a look at all the stuff that it says. Now, this is hazardous stuff, so you have to be very careful when you're using it. You want to make sure that you're using a respirator, you're in a well-ventilated area, you're protecting your eyes, you're wearing gloves when you're using it. Now, when I say all that, you're like, okay, well, why are we doing a video on this? Because I want you to understand what this chemical is. The fact of the matter is, acetone is what's used in nail polish remover. Now, there's buffers in there, and the concentration is not as high, but this is what takes your nail polish off your fingers if you're someone that uses nail polish. But it can also do a whole bunch of other things. The beauty part about acetone is it's very quick drying. So as a solvent and a cleaner, it does a very nice job without harming the substrate that you're using it on. So for instance, if you're someone that uses fiberglass, you're working with resins and you need to remove too much of a resin on something, acetone is a perfect thing for that. Maybe you have a boat and you've got some scratches on the side of the fiberglass boat. You put this on a rag and you can clean those up really well and kind of bring that shine back. The fact that it's fast drying is the key, so it doesn't damage the substrate underneath it. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations as a cleaner and a solvent, removing adhesive. Say you've got stickers on the bottom of a plate that you bought at a store and you need to get that residue off. Acetone is a perfect product for that. Coming up next, my video on how to use paint thinner.